Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the third question of October Codechef Long Challenge. There are two friends, Chef and Chefina. They are on floor A and B, respectively. They have to go to the ground floor as price distribution is going on. They are on the ground floor. Chef can climb X floor per minute. Chefina can climb Y floor per minute. So here we have written already. Chef can climb X floor in 1 minute. Chef can climb one floor in 1 upon X minute. A floor in A upon X minute. Similarly, Chefina can climb B floor in B upon 5 minute. Okay. Here answer can be in decimal. So we have to use float. Float. We are given with A, B, X, Y and test case. Let's take input of test case. File test case is there. We'll take the input of A, B, X and Y. Lesser the time, more quickly they will reach on the ground floor. So if A upon X is less than B upon Y, chef will reach quickly. So we have to print chef. Otherwise, else if upon X is greater than B upon Y, then Sheffield will reach on the ground floor. Else, both will reach together, will print O. That's it. Let's check the solution. It is got correct. Let's submit the code. Here everyone is getting error, but using float will remove the error. We have got the correct answer. Thanks. Like the video and subscribe the channel to get more solution videos. Thanks for watching.